I have a 19.5 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine model which started flooding on me over a month ago. I've rebuilt the carb and replaced everything including the float and needle. The symptoms clearly indicate that the float and needle are not stopping the flow of fuel into the bowl. With the carb off the engine, I can hold the float up and cannot blow air into fuel inlet. I've taken this mower, John Deere LA110, to a small engine mechanic and he had the same results. He spent over an hour on it and didn't even charge me since he couldn't find the problem. If a pro can't find the issue, where do I turn? Eric M.
Those carbs were prone to porosity. Fuel eats away at the carb's body and creates holes that fuel can sneak by. The only fix is to replace the carb assembly. Click on the link below to obtain a replacement. You will need the date code to get the proper part number. http://www.partstree.com/parts/?LC equals Briggs_and_Stratton and MN equals 31P67700131B1 and DN equals 3748005K.
The only piece I have not replaced is the fuel transfer assembly, the plastic piece that holds the float and the seat for the needle. What fails due to porosity? Is it the plastic? I've already spent $100 on this carb and replacement solenoid. The fuel transfer assembly is listed at $57. I hate to order it and have the same issue a few years down the road. For $57 I could probably buy a different carb that doesn't have this problem. Your thoughts?
Okay, so you did not replace the needle seat? Fuel leaks between the seat and carb body. This is due to the ethanol used in today's fuels. Not much can be done other than to replace the carb. I have tried many times to satisfy a customer whom wanted to save a couple dollars or just make it work for a couple more mows. However, in every case, the repair has failed and in the end, it was necessary to replace the whole carb.
Does the needle have a seat aside from the plastic that the transfer assembly provides? I have the parts manual for that engine and the carb diagram doesn't show a separate seat. The pro that I saw remembered had a similar problem with a similar carb that had a plastic seat that he had to glue in place above the needle to fix the issue. The fact that the needle seems to seal, at least I can't blow through it, lead me to believe that the float and needle were working. If I order the full transfer assembly and that fixes it, then I should stay away from ethanol mixes. I already use non-ethanol gas in all my 2-cycle engines. I just want to find a fix that will last. Thanks.
After a closer inspection of the carb used on your model, they do not offer a replacement seat. You can try to remove and glue or seal the seat. However, in my opinion, I feel that repair would be short-lived. I suggest you replace at least the carb. Avoid ethanol whenever possible. It's junk.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.